Etsy plus Pinterest. Why Pinterest not promoting your Etsy shop? Why zero views on pins? Check out this full step-by-step video audit of new Pinterest account. Fix these 5 mistakes. Let's move to Pinterest. Do it together. Mistakes number 1. Homepage mistakes that affect on promoting your pins on Pinterest.
Alla creates amazing handmade ribbon dolls. Her Etsy shop, Alla Ribbon Doll. Alla make ribbon doll from Kharkiv, Ukraine. Support Alla's Etsy shop and Pinterest account. And Alla worries. She worries about whether buyers need her dolls. We move to Google Ads United States. Average monthly views ribbon dolls from 10 to 100,000. It's so much, guys, great. It's so much important and amazing. It's mean people use this keyword. And now ribbon dolls or ribbon dolls and ribbon doll in Google Ads United States have the same results. I saw it, and we move to our Etsy shop or Pinterest account, and we need to use ribbon dolls. Name of your Pinterest account, and on the first place in the description of Pinterest account. It means ribbon dolls must be on the first place here and in the description. It's so much important to promote your Pinterest account. After that, in the link section, you need to add your Etsy shop link. It's so much important because Pinterest promote much more better Etsy shop accounts, your website accounts, but less Instagram or other social media. Guys, check out this. And on the first place, Alla need to add another Pinterest bots. Alla add ribbon dolls, but in her Etsy shop, we saw section teddy toys, handmade glass eyes, fantasy eyes handmade, and she need to add this section like next pin bots.
Number 2. Mistakes on Pinterest bot that affects on visibility of your pins.
In the bot title, add the main keyword for the product, ribbon dolls. Alla is right. And under the bot title, Alla need to add a description of the bot and tell much more about her ribbon dolls in 2-3 sentences.
Number 3. Pinterest pin mistakes that makes zero views on pin.
You need to fill in the title, description, text of the pin based on the main keywords of the product. These are 3 instructions for Pinterest search engines on how to and whom show your pin. That's why Alla's title, description, and text will start with the phrase ribbon doll. Here must be ribbon doll. Here must be ribbon doll and next text. Here must be ribbon doll plus next text.
Number 4. How to use Pinterest statistics to increase views on Pinterest.
Visit Pinterest Trends. Add to Pinterest Trends name of your product, ribbon dolls, and you will see what ribbon dolls, what name of your items could be useful for you. Click on ribbon dolls, for example, and after this, Pinterest show you some tips. And for example, related keywords: silicone ribbon babies, baby alive dolls, realistic baby dolls, baby alive, blues dolls. These Pinterest tips from Pinterest trend, and you will see how move this line you all year. And for example, visit Pinterest, add ribbon dolls, add your item, and look on this tip: ribbon dolls silicone, ribbon dolls sale, ribbon dolls cheap, ribbon dolls kids, ribbon dolls realistic, ribbon dolls black, and other. Due to these keywords, you could add new Pinterest pins and promote your Pinterest account. It means people trying to find these items due to these keywords.
Number 5. Your pins have zero views. What should you do?
If you have a new Pinterest account, you should fill out your Pinterest account and join Pinterest group bots for your products or for Etsy sellers. For example, like this. immediately after creating pin, repost this pin to new Pinterest group bots in United States time, and you get much more views, much more sales, and promote your Pinterest account and your Etsy shop or another website. Guys, if you need help, write a comment under this video. I'll add you to my Pinterest bot, and if you need much more help, use my 500 Pinterest group bots for Etsy sellers. Conclusion. What needs to be done in your Pinterest account to promote it quickly? What does Allah need to do? Number 1. Add the main keywords of your product to the account name and the description. Next, add a link to your Etsy shop or another website. Next, add main keywords to the name and description of your Pinterest bots. It's so much important. Name plus description. Next, in the pin, what we need to do in the pin? For example, in the title, pin description text, add your main keywords on the first line. Next, and most important, guys, and most importantly, regular work on Pinterest. Try to add pins on Pinterest every day. Pinterest is search engine, and that's all that we have figured out, that it's all SEO work to promote your Pinterest account, and you will see these first results after 1-3 monthly actively work, and not immediately after 1 day or after few pins added. Guys, if you need much more sales from Etsy, use my list 500 Pinterest group bots for Etsy sellers. In this list, how to join Pinterest group bots 2025. Guys, if you need help much more about Pinterest account, how to promote your Pinterest account, Etsy shop on Pinterest without paid ads, use my ebook How to Use Pinterest for Etsy. It's for beginners. It's about SEO on Pinterest, how to promote your Pinterest account, any Etsy shop or another website without paid ads. If you have any questions about Pinterest, Etsy, write under this video. With you, Svitlana Prokhorivska, Etsy shop, YouTube channel How to Sell Crafts. Subscribe, guys, and write your comments, write your questions under this video.